Hi, I'm Miss Erin.
I'm Miss Allison, and welcome to today's STEM challenge.
So for today's STEM challenge, we're actually giving you a little more of a STEAM challenge, because the A that makes it STEAM is art. And we're going to be making art while using science. So to do this, you're going to need to make a paper cone. Construction paper or cardstock is better than using regular paper, but regular paper will work too. Once you have your cone, poke 3 holes in the top and tie some yarn in those holes. Attach a paper clip and then attach another loop of yarn to your paper clip.
Some other materials you're going to need for this are some tempera paint and water. And what we did was just dilute our tempera paint a little bit. You're also going to need some scissors. And if you don't want to dirty your road or your wash or your driveway, we have a plastic tablecloth you could use to decorate as well for your lovely artwork.
And you can also do this over top of paper if you want to have your artwork as something that will really last. So Miss Allison, if you will pour our paint in. And then snip the very tip off.
This is where STEM gets fun too. Depending on your
a little bit lower
snip size, you will get different artworks.
Oop. We snipped a little bit too big of a hole, so it all came out at once. Since we flubbed it the first time, we're trying again.
So we have a different color of paint here. We wanted to give it another artistic touch too. Ready?
Ready. Do you want to hold the string this time?
Sure.
We're being really careful not to cut off very much of our tip. Oop. Are we going to come out? Maybe we'll have to cut off more. There it goes. So as the pendulum swings, it's dripping paint into a really cool pattern.
All right, it's your turn to experiment with different size openings of your cone, different colors of paint, and we would love to see your beautiful artwork.
And try swinging your pendulum in different ways. You never know what you're going to get until you try.
Good luck and have fun!